EWPPG and more. Welcome back to another episode, everyone, of Keeping It Real with your girl, Philly Phil. How are you guys doing on this Friday afternoon? All right, I know I'm a little late with this, and you've probably already seen a video about it, but hey, I wanted to still bring you an update on it as well. You know, I told you guys a week or so ago about Tim's attorney wanting an extension of the date that was previously given for them to request additional information and all of that good stuff. Well, the court has made a decision on it. So let's just go into what they had to say. You know, this TIMNORMAN case, sweetiepies case, it's a complex case, and it's going to be, I think it's just going to be a long time, guys, before we know anything for sure. So May 3rd, there was something filed, an order filed, and I'm not going to read everything to you, but here it is right here, just, saying that the above matter has been referred, that on December the 3rd, this case was deemed a complex case. Remember, we talked about that, meaning that they don't have to follow the rules and regulations for a speedy trial. So it says this matter is now before the court on defendant's request for extension of time within which to file pre-trial motions regarding initial challenges to the indictment and request for extension of time within which to file evidentiary motions filed April 30th. Okay. So it says here that the defendant has not received the full extent of the government's discovery, meaning the defendant, the attorney, Tim's attorney, they haven't received everything that the government has on him. And it says the motion further stated that the defense counsel met in person for a scheduled meeting with the assistant U.S. Attorney General. We talked about that. So it comes on down here. It says, therefore, defendant requested that the pretrial motion deadlines currently, which had been set for May 3rd and July 2nd, 2021, they asked that they be continued an additional 60 days. And it says here, the government does not object to the defendant's motion for the reasons stated in defendant's motion. I will grant defendant's request. It is hereby ordered that the defendant's request for the extension of time within which to file the pretrial motions regarding initial challenges to the indictment, hey, it's been granted. It says the defendant shall have until July 2nd, 2021 to file initial challenges to the indictment. The government shall have until July 16th. Then it says the defendant shall have until August the 31st to file evidentiary motions or a notice of intent not to file pretrial motions. And the government shall have until September the 14th. So Tim's attorney, he was granted the request that they made. The court did find in his favor on that. So Tim, guys, he got a win. It's not a big win, but he did get a win. And I know there's been things going around. I saw some videos, a confession. I have not seen a confession. The courts have not loaded any documents regarding Tim confessing to anything. So I feel safe in saying that there has been no confession from TIMNORMAN, none whatsoever. I mean, guys, based on what we know about Tim and watching his actions and everything, I'm not no psychologist or anything like that, but Tim appears to be very cocky. I don't see him confessing. I believe he's going to fight this until the bitter end. Meanwhile, Miss Michelle Griggs in our prayers. Andre, may he rest in peace. You guys have a good one.